What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BeingDearra, of course, and if you guys are new, welcome to you. Don't forget the subscribe button so you guys can be a part of the family, along with the notification bell so you guys are updated every time I do upload. So obviously, y'all, today we are about to be doing a wig review. So yes, we are going to be reviewing this girl, India. So yes, you guys are ready? Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up. But yeah. Y'all, I am such a procrastinator. I have to be somewhere like in a minute. Like, I did not look at the time. Like, I was like, geez, the time is flying today. But oh my god, y'all, this feels so soft. Like, yes, that's what I'm talking about. But yeah, she is nice. She is wait, did I get 1 or 1B? I got a 1. But yes, y'all, look at her lace front. Oh, okay, yes. Yeah, I haven't did one of these in so long, so bear with me, y'all. Okay, so yeah, she comes with the basics: 3 combs, 1 in the back, and then 2 on the side, 1 right there and 1 right here, and then also this much lace. So yeah, got a good enough lace to start with. And yeah, she is a middle part, but y'all know I like to work with it. Like, I can make it, ooh, I can swerve her. But yeah, she is a middle part. So yeah, let's go ahead and put her on in a seat. All right. Okay, so this is how it looks on. Oh my god, like, this thing is sucking the life out of my head though. But like, y'all know my head is big. Right now it looks like it will probably cover a lot, so I will still say it's probably big head friendly. Like, this part is tight, but obviously I got to cut that off. But yeah, it feels so good, y'all. Like, yeah, girl is feeling yourself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself right now. Like, ooh. Okay, but yeah, so this is how it looks with the lace on. I'm about to go ahead and take this lace off, and then yeah, I'll be back with you guys. So this is what it looks like on without the lace. Obviously I gotta fix it a little bit, but yeah. What y'all think? I always hate middle parts, but I'm gonna make this work. Yeah, I'm gonna make this work. I've been doing good with middle parts lately. They always look crazy when I put them on though, like first, until I fix them, and then I'll be like, oh, okay, it do look all good, okay. But yeah, since my hair is kind of like awkwardly shaped, yeah, but it's still cute though. So yeah, what y'all think? Okay, I gotta blend, and I'm gonna put some edges. I'm gonna put the edges on, lay it down. Then we gonna see from there. So now that it's done, I'm about to go in and just blend it with some with some powder. So yeah, now that that's done, I'm just about to go in and blend it with some powder, you know, to get it to like match my skin, because obviously you can tell it don't, but yeah, you guys know. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so like this, I'm in the rush out, but okay, so this is the look. Okay, man, y'all, I still need to get good on my baby hairs, but you know how it be, you know how it be. But I love it, like, okay. Alright, so yeah, it ain't that much shedding to her at all. You know it's synthetic, so obviously it's gonna be some type of shedding, but like it's good for, like, when you want to go out, like, you know, you ain't supposed to wear a synthetic wig every single day. So when you're trying to go out like that quickness, like, yeah, you want it, she is a good look for that. So yeah, like where I'm about to go, she is the perfect look. So yeah, what y'all think? And I would say, yeah, she is big hair friendly, because it is like, it fit just right. My head is huge, so it fit just right. And then also, like, it's tight. It's not like loose to where I gotta constantly probably like pull it up. It's the right amount of like tightness. And then like if you don't like the tightness, obviously you can take off the straps in the back, but like with the straps on there, it's A1. It's okay. So yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the video. If you guys want me to do more wig tutorials, wig reviews, I will go ahead and do that. I just have been on my reaction game, because, you know, if you tell me, I'm going to do it. And they've been telling me to do more reactions. So, but if y'all want some wig reviews here and there, I will do those as well too, because, you know, I do be looking fly up in those reactions. So yeah, you know, I'll put some wig reviews out for y'all too. But yeah, thank you guys again for tuning in on the way to 2K. We are only 40 subscribers away from 2K. So yeah, if you guys have not already, go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys are updated every time I do upload another video. And please go ahead, tell friends, family, like all of that, come join the D fam. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. Bye.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.